Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to view open ports on your Windows computer. So ports are, in a simplistic definition, are the way that computer programs and applications are able to communicate over the internet to their servers, so whether it be to update or give real-time information. That's the bridge basically between your computer and the location or origin of your application, so that it just remains up to date, and that's basically how it communicates between one another. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a very simple way of how to go ahead and see open ports. So just open up the start menu, type in CMD. Best match to come back with command prompt. You want to right click on that and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, left click on Yes. Okay, so now into this command prompt you want to type in net, so N-E-T, stat, all one word, so netstat, space, minus sign, AON, exactly as it appears on my screen, so again N-E-T-S-T-A-T, or it's pronounced netstat, space, minus sign, AON, AON. Hit enter on your keyboard. I am going to blur this out, but if you scroll up here you should see a local address in one of the first columns here, followed by a foreign address, so you can easily see how it's linking up and which port on your computer is connected to each foreign address. And don't worry about stuff saying listening or establish, it's not that big of a deal. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.